Hello, beautiful viewers. Hope you're doing fine. Thank you for watching my videos. Welcome back to my channel. This is bennyG, your girl from Kenya, Africa. So today, guys, I'm bringing for you some of the houses, how developed rural areas is nowadays, how people have invested in building in their rural areas. So guys, have a look at this. This is just a house tour, but the external part of it, so it can also help you in planning. So don't get discouraged while at so don't get discouraged, guys. When you are working outside, when the Lord has given you some job, remember home, because home is where the heart always lies. Remember home even when you are working outside. Look at these guys. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this one. This is a house in the village. This is a house in the village. Look at this. A house in the village. Guys, isn't this beautiful? So when you have a job, kindly remember home. Home is always where the heart lies. Look at this. Look at that. So thank you guys. Have a beautiful and wonderful evening.